G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, the other day I was working on the brother-in-law's battery chargers and my soldering iron, which is this size, 80 watt, died. Burned out from too much use. So I went and bought this one, a Zito, 80 watt. It was under $20. I mean, how can you go wrong, you know? $20. I mean, shit. It's incredible they can make this stuff for this price. 3-year warranty. Anyway, so I've got that. Anyway, I was looking at the, when you get it too, you get another tip. You get a pointy tip and you get a blade type tip. And I was looking at my soldering stuff and I threw out the old soldering iron. It was, put it in the recycle bin, and I kept the tips. And these are the tips that came with it, and they're a slightly larger diameter than the Zito ones. The Zito ones, what are they? They're let's have a look. 6.55, and these are 7.88. So I thought, well, I don't really like that. Bizarre. It might be okay. It looks a bit weird. I thought, rather than just sort of have these sitting around doing nothing, I'll turn the shaft down on these so they fit the new one, and I can then put in, you know, whatever tip I want. The pointy ones are okay for small stuff, but if you want to say do car electrical terminals, you really want something sort of a bit heavier. I mean, that's all worn from use. Look at it, it's all misshapen. So I'll turn it down, turn them both down, and then I'll just rework the end on it so it comes up more like this, you know. But that's today's project. So I've loosened these two little lock screws. Take this out, so yeah, you can see how long it is. So yeah, they'll work out good. They're much the same, aren't they? So, all good. So to do this, we'll use the Sherline, the mighty little Sherline. How many lathes can you just move around like that, eh? These guys with these big ones that look down their nose at these little ones really don't know what they're missing out on. And I've got the light here so I can put it on. Yeah, so it all works in good. These are good, these little lights, they're brilliant. finish off with the old shovel and try and clean up the dodgy old head on it. Got to be careful with copper, it can easily catch and dig in. Doesn't hurt to put a bit of kerosene on it. We're going right. Just go slowly with copper. Because if it goes pear-shaped, it will catch and just bend up to hell. I think that'll do. That's good enough. Don't want to push our luck too far. Yeah, so that's good enough to do the job. But, yeah, wire buff it up, cleaned it up a bit and all done. So here's the original. Here's the salvage ones. Yeah, all good, eh? Yeah, you can always make stuff do the job. So if you've got a little lathe, you can turn stuff down like this, and yeah, small job like this, no problem at all. So, you know, mini lathe, micro lathe, they'll do the job, and the advantage of the micro is that you can move it around. But anyway, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Cheers.